Question number 11. They are saying that find x and y-intercepts. Okay, x and y-intercepts and sketch curve. I have to sketch curve of whatever equation will be given. I will be sketching its curve. Okay, and then I will. They are saying state coordinates of minimum or maximum point. Okay, these are the things which they have asked us over here. Now, there are a few things which you have to remember when you are having this type of question. First thing, when they are asking for x and y-intercept, they are asking for x and y-intercept. Over here, you can use factorization method to form your equation and to find your curve. Okay, and you can also use completing square method to get your result. But when they will ask for only y-intercept, then better go with completing square method only, because sometimes it will happen that factorization will not be possible. Okay, so when they are asking for x-intercept and y-intercept both, you have a choice. You can use factorization method or you can use completing square method. When they are asking for only y-intercept, then you will go for completing square method. Okay, now when you have factorization, what you are going to do? You will, first of all, what you are going to do, step number 1, simplify your quadratic equation and then factorize. Okay, first thing what you are going to do, you will simplify your quadratic equation and you will factorize that equation, and you will write it in y equals to x minus h, x minus k form. Okay, you will write it in this form. That is the first thing which you are going to do over here. After that, sine of x square will determine nature of curve slash turning point. Your sine of x square will tell you that what will be the nature of curve or the nature of turning point. How will you know? Positive sine of x square. If x square is having positive sign, then it means we are having minimum curve or minimum turning point. Okay? And negative sign of x square means maximum curve or maximum turning point. Okay. After that, the next step is find y-intercept by putting x equals to 0 in equation. Whatever your equation will be given, you will put x equals to 0 and you will have y-intercept value. After that, what you are going to have over here? Number 4, find x-intercepts. Find x-intercepts by putting y equals to 0 in equation. Okay. We are going to find average of x-intercepts. Whatever x-intercepts is given, I will find the average of x-intercept and that will be x coordinate of turning point. Okay. You will find average of x-intercept and you will have x coordinate of the turning point. Okay. Plot average of x-intercept in equation to get y coordinate of turning point. Okay, y coordinate of turning point. All these things are also written in the description of video. You can check it over there also. F. It is given y equals to x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, this is given to us. First thing, I will see sign of x square, that is positive. It means I will have this kind of curve in which I will have minimum turning point. Okay, I will have this kind of curve and I will have minimum turning point because x square is coming positive. Okay, then y-intercept. Y-intercept means value of x will be plotted 0. So when I will plot it over here as 0, so y equals to 0 square minus 5 into 0 minus 6. Okay, I can do it in this way also, or I can factorize it first and then I can do the working. It's the same thing, doesn't make any difference. Okay, so when I will simplify it, y equals to 0, 5 into 0 is 0, minus 6. So y is coming minus 6 when x is coming, when x was plotted as 0. Okay. After this, I have to work with x-intercept. So how will I work with x-intercept? Y will be taken as 0. Okay. So I can directly plot it over here, or I can factorize this thing first, and then I can plot y equals to 0. Completely your choice. Okay. So I'm factorizing it first. Y equals to x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay. Middle term breaking. Y equals to x square minus 6x plus x minus 6. Okay. Two negative terms and two positive terms are there. It means that my middle term breaking is correct. Y equals to x common x minus 6 plus 1 common x minus 6. Okay. So when I am going to simplify it over here, y equals to common bracket is x minus 6. What's remain over here? X plus 1. It is now in factor form. Okay. I was working with for x-intercept, y will be plotted as 0. So 0 equals to x minus 6, x plus 1. So either x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So value of x is coming 6 or value of x is coming minus 1 when y was plotted as 0. Okay. Now I'm plotting my curve first and then I will be putting the coordinates. I will be finding the coordinate of minimum or maximum point. Okay. So this is coming 0 and minus 6. 6 0 minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 when y is 0. 6. Okay. And then I'm going to plot this, that is y-intercept over here. I'm marking minus 6 over here. So how will I do it? I will keep it like that and I will bring it in this direction. Okay. I have got x-intercept, I have got y-intercept over here. After that, they are saying find the coordinate of minimum or maximum point. This time of curve is there, it means it will be a minimum point. So in order to find your coordinate, first of all, average of x-intercept. Okay, I will find the average of x-intercept. What are x-intercept? 6 plus minus 1 over 2. So when I will simplify it, average of x-intercept 6 minus 1 will be 5. 5 over 2 equals to 2.5. Now it's your choice. You can use 5 over 2 or you can use 2.5 as your coordinates. It doesn't make any difference. Okay. After that, I can be plotting this over here or I can plot it over here to get my result. Okay. So y equals to x square. The average of x-intercept will be plotted in the equation as I have explained you. Okay, in the start. So either you can plot it over here or you can plot it over here. Totally your choice. So I'm using this one. X is 5 upon 2 whole square minus 5. X is 5 upon 2 minus 6. Okay, simplifying it, y equals to 5 square will be 25 over 4, 25 over 2 minus 6 upon 1. No denominator is there, so I have written 1 over it. Okay, so simplifying it, LCM will be 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 into 25. 2 twos are 4, 2 into 25 is 50. And 1 fours are 4, 4 6 are 24. Okay, so when I am going to simplify it, 25 minus 15 minus 24, the result is minus 49 over 4, and when I will simplify it, it will be minus 12.25. So your minimum and maximum point is coming 5 over 2 and minus 49 over 4. If you want to put right, if you like to write it in fraction, or 2.5 and minus 12.25 if you want to write it in decimal. Now 2.5, where will be 2.5? 2.5, and this will be minus 12.25. So the coordinate of this point, which is your turning point, the coordinate is going to be 2.5 or minus 12.25. Okay, in decimal it will be easier for you to do the plotting.